This tutorial review will show you how to log chat on WhatsApp. So, if you have a private conversation in your WhatsApp chat list, and now you can log the conversation with your Face ID or Touch ID. So, no one will be able to open the logged conversation without your Face or Touch ID. Now let's see how you can log a conversation in your WhatsApp. So the first thing you have to do is update your WhatsApp app. Now open the conversation you want to log. Tap the conversation name at the top. And here you will get this chat log option. So tap on it. So use your Face ID to open this chat and read notifications on this phone. For added privacy, logged chats will be kept separate from other chats. Now toggle the switch on, log this chat with Face ID and scan your face, then untap on view, and I'm going to my WhatsApp home screen, and as you can see the conversations moved to the logged chats folder. Normally the logged chats option will be hidden. All you have to do is just swipe to the bottom to visible the logged chats. Now tap on it and you have to scan your face to unlock it. Once it's unlocked, now you can easily view your logged chats. And the same way you can add multiple conversation to your logged chat section. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.